Hi, my name is James Powell and I am an online marketer. If you were searching for an emergency plumber and found this video and you own a plumbing business, I would like to talk to you. The reason why I'm having this here is to let you know you can put your name of your business on this video for $250. I just wanted to show you this is what happens. After I get done talking, I'm going to show you the example of a video that you can have your name on for $250 a month. Put your name on here. Contact us in the video description, james@jjmediaonline.net. When you contact us, I'd love to talk to you. Put your name on this video for $250 a month. Hope to be hearing from you.
If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable plumber, well, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local plumbing service, and we're committed to creating satisfied customers and handling all of your plumbing needs. No matter what type of plumbing work you need done, we can do it all. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your plumbing service.